I signed Maya's name on a legal document, redirected $43,000 out of her grandmother's estate into an account she didn't know existed. And for 8 months, she had no idea it was me.
Oh, she had no idea. Love that. Like it was a magic trick. Like you just forgot to mention the part where you were the executor of my grandmother's estate because I trusted you.
I was the executor because you asked me to be, you said, and I quote, I can't deal with paperwork right now, I'm grieving. So yeah, I handled it. Was I supposed to just leave it sitting there while the estate attorneys charged fees every single month?
You handled it, $43,000 worth of handling. Tell them about the account, Danny. Tell them whose name was on it.
It was a joint account, mine and yours. Technically, I set it up because I was going to tell you, that was always the plan. I needed time to figure out how to explain the situation without it sounding like.
Without it sounding like theft, wild how that works. And by the way, joint account, my name was on it with a signature I never signed. The bank confirmed it, so.
Okay, yes, I signed your name. I'm not going to pretend I didn't. But let's talk about context, because you want to make me sound like some stranger who robbed you. I had been your best friend for 11 years. I was at that funeral. I held it together for you when you couldn't stand up straight. And yeah, I was also drowning. My mom's medical bills were.
Do not bring Aunt Rosa into this right now. You could have asked me. You could have said, Maya, I need help. I'm struggling. You know I would have.
Would have what? Given me money out of your inheritance while you were still identifying your grandmother's belongings for the estate list? Come on. You weren't in a place to help anybody, and I wasn't going to be one more thing on your plate.
So you made that decision for me about my money from my family, and you dressed it up like you were protecting me. That's impressive. That's a level of delusion I didn't know you had.
I was going to pay it back. I have the transfer records. I already put back 19 of it. I didn't spend it on anything stupid. It went to the hospital, every single cent. I have itemized receipts if you want to see them.
Oh, you have receipts. Great. So do I want to hear the text you sent me in March? The one where I said something feels off about the estate settlement, and you said, word for word, you're just grieving, babe, let me handle it. That's what I'm here for. That text.
I remember the text.
You told me I was grieving wrong. You used my grief to keep me from looking too closely. And I believed you because you were my best friend, and I actually thought you were one of the good ones.
I am one of the good ones. I made a terrible choice. Those are not mutually exclusive. You want a villain, I get it. But I'm somebody who was watching my mother lose her ability to walk and had $17 in my checking account and access to a sum of money that was just sitting there. And I cracked. I cracked, Maya. That's what happened.
You forged my dead grandmother's granddaughter's signature. That is not cracking. That's a plan. Plans take time. Plans take a bank account and a notary and 8 months of lying to my face every time we got coffee.
Every time we got coffee, I was trying to find the right moment. There's no good way to say that. I know that. But I was not sitting across from you enjoying it. I was sick about it. I still am.
You were sick about it, but you kept doing it for 8 months. Right, and the part where you told me the estate had fees and complications, and that's why the number was lower. When you knew the number, what do we call that one?
A lie, it was a lie. You want me to say it? Fine, I lied. I forged your signature, I moved the money, and I lied to your face about the estate. I know what I did. I've known this whole time. What I don't know is what you want from me now because I'm paying it back and I'm sorry, and apparently that's not anywhere near enough.
What I want is for you to stop performing remorse for whoever's listening and just sit in what you actually did. You didn't borrow money from a friend. You took my grandmother's last gift to me, the last thing she gave me before she died, and you decided your situation mattered more than that.
You're right, I did decide that, and I have to live with that. I'm not asking you to forgive me. I stopped expecting that a while ago. But I need you to know it wasn't because you didn't matter. It was because I was desperate and stupid and I trusted that 11 years meant you'd eventually, I don't know, understand maybe even a little.
11 years, yeah, I keep thinking about that number too, and I still don't know which is worse, that you did it or that part of me almost gets it. Almost.
Almost. What would you have done? Tell me in the comments. Someone you know needs to hear this, send it to them. And there's a new confession dropping soon. Don't miss it.